Did you know that using the wrong charger could be silently destroying your phone's battery life? Since companies like Apple and Samsung stopped including adapters in the box, finding the correct charger has become a guessing game. In this video, I'll show you a golden trick. Find the exact charger specification for your specific device, like iPhone, Xiaomi, Samsung, and it. Okay, go for this reason, for this purpose, we should go to Google and search GSMArena. Click on the first site, then on here in the search bar, search your phone. For example, we have Samsung A56. Click on your phone, then go down to battery section. Here we see type of battery is 5000 milliampere per hour and charging type is 45 watt wire. Uh, for this phone, you should use a 45 watt power adapter for charging this phone. And we can use 60 watt or 100 watt or 35 watt, 25 watt. We should use a 45 watt charger to charge the phone battery. We can search other phones like Xiaomi. Click on your phone. This site show you all of your phone specifications. Okay, this phone we go to battery section. Here we see charging 120 watt wire charger. For this phone, you should use 120 watt wire charger. And see this PD3 means power delivery technology. If we use a if we find a 120 wire charger, that charger should have power delivery technology. This is our battery specifications. Okay, we can use this site and search on my phones or your friend's phone or any phone that you want to know the battery specifications. Like, guys.